and of me is Microsoft Surface Duo, and today I would like to show you where you can find all your downloads on this device. First of all, you need to access menu, then find an app called Files and click on it. Now click on those three lines at the top left corner of this screen and select Downloads by clicking on it. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here, but if you wish to categorize them, you need to click on this icon with three lines again, select one of those categories like Images, and then click on Download folder. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!